November 17th, 2020 lesson. Mr. B sells bags of apples at the farmer's market. He needs 27 apples for every 3 bags. Does this table represent a proportional relationship between the number of bags to the number of apples? All right, so we need to figure out if this table is correct. So all that we're going to be doing is checking to see. So can we get from 27 to 3 or 3 to 27? Yeah, we can. So I know that if we go from 27 to 3, I know 27 divided by 9 is 3. And then if I go from 3 to 27, I know that's times 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. All right, let's check it out. Is 6 times 9 54? 9 times 6 or 6 times 9? Yes, it is 54. How about 9 times 9? Is that 81? Yes, it is. How about 12 times 9? If you do 12 times 9, you will get 108. Do you get 108? Yeah. So our answer here is yes. We do get this table is correct. It is proportional. It does show a relationship. So all of these arrows are the correct pattern. There's not one that's missing. All right, let's take a look over here. Sylvia. Sylvia buys bagels by the dozen. So a dozen means 12. She gets 12 bagels for every 1 box. Does this table represent a proportional relationship between the number of bagels to the number of boxes? So we have bagels and boxes here. If we go from 2 to 24, 2 times what is 24? Well, I know 2 times 12 is 24. So let's see if we multiply by 12 all the way down. 4 times 12. Is 4 times 12 48? Yes, it is. How about 6 times 12? 6 times 12 is 72. Yep. How about 7 times 12? That is 84. Is that 84? Uh-oh. That's not 84. That's 96. It should be 84. So this answer is going to be no. It does not work because this 96 is incorrect. It should be an 84. And that's all how we are looking at our table. So that's all for our lesson. Great job.